How to log into Discord with QR code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then at the bottom, click on View. In here, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Scan QR code. After you click on Scan QR code, your camera will open. Simply scan QR code of another device. Then press on Login in here. After you press on Login in here, you will be logged into your account in another device. And this is how to log into Discord with QR code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.